First, welcome back to Hi-Fi Tech and Entertainment channel. In today's video, I'm going to explaining the how to use the properties and also how to style it to your pages in our SAP Build apps. I will explain you in detail. Before that, if you are really interested to learn the SAP Build Apps, please join a community on SAP Build Apps in my YouTube channel. So you will get the complete notification and you will learn the sessions, whatever I'm showing it here, that all documents you can access it. And if you have any doubts, we can connect on the live sessions. So first, what are the properties? So this for our UI of an application is adapted to its the requirements regarding the context, dynamic appearance and functionality. The properties of the components is it will be an advantageous factor. So by using these properties, we are depending on the choose the component and also will adjust the components on our UI. These properties of the current selected component displays between the panel on the right side, and also if you want to do the binding in front of the value of the property, we have an options to bound the static values, variables, formulas and all other things. So in the if you want, for example, if you want to display text or name to adapt to the user for a variable assigned to that user based on the time and date, these all options, multiple options and multiple binding features we have in our SAP Build Apps. So today I will give the complete fundamentals, the properties and the bindings, and also I will explain you the advanced properties and also how to use the repeated component functionalities. On top of that, we will style the application based on of our requirements. In my previous video already I created a tmap project. Within the tmap project, this is the main view. I mean, we can call it as the home page. Within the home page already we maintain the icons, some images and some of the text, then button and some icons. For all these things, now we are going to perform the properties. So let's get started. First, what I will do is, first I will change this title. If once you click on here, the right side, we have an option called the properties content. So if within the content, whatever the text is there, that one we want to change based on your requirement. This one, I will name it as an welcome to your team app. Yes, that's it. Then I will choose an image. Once you click on the image, in the right side, you can see the source. So in this icon, if you click here, we have an options called static image. Once you click on the static image, the pop-up will show up. In case if it's not there, in the right side, we have an image icon. Just click on it here. Here we have an multiple options. Either you can drag and drop the image, or if you want to create a folder, and there if you want to maintain something and you can capture that one also, you can do it. Now what I will do is, from the public URL, just I will open some image and I will copy and paste the URL here. So once we browse it here, something like this, I got this image. So this image I will use it to the SAP Build Apps case. Here we need to paste the URL. That's it. Once you paste the URL, here you can see the image is maintained successfully. Now what I will do is, I will choose this icon. Once I click on the star icon, here we have so many options. Now I want to change this icon. Now click on the icon. Here I will maintain some camera image. If it's not visible, then just directly type that camera text and maintain it here. Now that's how we need to maintain this. Next, what I will do is, here instead of text I will maintain some title plus content. For that purpose, I will choose some other container. Yeah, I will drag and drop it here. Here, I will maintain some text like this is the title field. Here, I will change it, the data based on the app. Mindfulness tracker. Then what I will do is in this content field, how your day and track what did you do for the yourself. To maintain all these things, already we have the text, right? Just right click on it and maintain some of the things. Here I will maintain, I will change some content like how was your day, track what you did for yourself. Yes, that's it. Then within the sum of the text, if you want to add some more fields, you can add it like dark enough water and some of the text. So what I will do is here I will maintain some text like slept enough like this. So this is the app for the team app, right? So that's why I'm maintaining this related content. That's it. Now, what I will do is first if you want to adjust the text of this following fields, you can adjust it wherever you want. Then coming to the button section. Once you click on the button section, in the right side, you can see the label field. So now I'm going to update this text as an update your day. This is the button name I'm going to maintain. Yeah. Then here we have so many icons is there, right? Just add some more actions for these icons. Before that, if you want to disable the button, we can disable it. Or if you want to maintain repeating things, we can repeat it. Or this is the button ID. If you want to, some of the button ID, what are the button ID you want to display, you can display it. Here we can see advanced properties. This within the advanced properties, we have the button id text. If you want to change it, we can do it. And visible things, want to visible, or if you want to delete this button, we can delete it. Or if you want to maintain this button in your marketplace, we can. This one, how to use it, I will explain you then further sessions. Before this, first maintain some more icons here. I will maintain some people icon for this. For the second icon, I will choose and I will maintain like some trophy part for the app related. These icons already we have a tool of SAP Icon Explorer. From there you can search it and you can use it. That's how it is. For this also, I will maintain some of the icon like appreciation things like that. Some of the appreciation award type, something like this. Yeah. Once this is done, Just click on save. Now we will do some more changes to our dinner time also. Just select this and go for the dinner time. Here what I will do is I will change this text like weekly meetup eat. That's it. Here if I want to maintain some icon, we can maintain it. Already we have some of the icons, right? For this I will maintain some different icon fields. I will use some information icon I want to maintain. Yeah, that's it. So for this one, just we will maintain only one. For this text, we will change it to some of the come together with the something like text. That's how we need to do the UI fields for the page to page. Here, if you don't want this section, just click on it and delete. That's it. Same way, we need to maintain what are the fields we have now. If you want to use some checkboxes also, we can use it. Paste it like this. That's it. For this checkbox, if you want to write, if you want to change this checkbox things also, for the icon for this also, we can do it something like this. So the checkbox icon should be like that's how it is. If you want to do my display name, if you want to change it, we can change it here. That's how it is. Now what I will do is, so here some of the modifications I did the same way how I used for the home page, same way we did. Once you click on the save, just before going to the styling, first I will show the how the application looks like here. But these are the changes we did till now. Let's go for this. Now you can see that the look and feel of the app. Then now run the home page app. Sorry, let's close this browser and we will go for it. Now you can see this app. So based on your page tracker, what things will if you maintain as a default page, that one will load first. So for that, how to set that means if you go to your navigation, here we need to select which page need to maintain as a default one. Now I maintain the home page is the default one. That's why this one will load. Now I will show you how to apply the CSS for this. So to apply our CSS, we have an option in the, I mean, how to customize the styling of this entire thing. We will look now. So here we will do the UI, customize the style, the properties so that the design of the pages and the components and the font matches the functionality of the application, as well as all the things we will change it. So first what I will do is we need to choose the layout. For example, if you choose this layout, go to the style. Here we have an option called app background. Once you click on the app background, here we can see so many options is there. On top of this, if you want to go for some of the colors like this, the app background will come like this. Or otherwise, if you want to maintain your whole custom coloring also, we can do that here. After that, that color will be saved. Once you click on new palette, here we need to choose whatever you want. You can choose your own. Then we need to give some name of the palette like this. Click on save. Then that color palette will come here. That's how Then what I will do is I will give some coloring for this. Then choose the color here. Once you choose of this title here, here in the right side we have so many options how to highlight this. So what we have to do is go for the primary part and select it. Once you maintain that here, click on edit. Here we can give all the text color. If you give the colors, that thing will come. In case for this, if you want to give some own colors also, we can go for it. Now to highlight this, I'm giving something color like this. So this will be the text color we can give. If you want to give something to highlight the text, I mean the font size, if you want to give, or if you want to give your own style also, we can give it. That all features here we have. Then if you want to give the text color directly we can give, or if you want to give the properties for this binding part we can go for this. These things I will explain you later, but for the CSS wise we can see the capacity of the thickness how it is. Now if I maintain 4, the thickness will be more. That's how it is. If you want to maintain visibility things by using the CSS also, we can do it. Now apply the color for the icons. So once you click on the icon, here we have an option primary icon and secondary icon. Once you click on edit here, it will show you the options for the icon also. Here same way how we highlighted, right? The same way we can maintain the colors here also. Now already we maintain this, right? To highlight some of this, I choose to like this. That's how we need to maintain. In case if you choose this typography here, we can maintain the size. This is the size of the icon. Based on your requirement, you can adjust the size. Then choose the image part. Once you click on choose the image, in the right side we have so many options for the image also. Edit. Once you click on edit, here it will show you the how if you want to resize the stretch for this, or if you want to highlight the center part like this, it will allow. And also here we can see the effects, the capacity, same way how we will use the CSS in our bash system, right? Same way if you want to maintain the sizes, colors, or if you want to highlight some borders also, if you want we can highlight it like this. And the border style, if you want maintain solid, it will come solid. If you want to maintain it as a dotted, it will come. If you want to maintain the border width thin, thick, that things also we can do it here. That's how we need to style of our images, borders, everything. Same way, if you want to select the something here, the text, that things also if you want to highlight, we can highlight it. For the same image, if you want to maintain some shapes, right, that things also we can do that here. In the corners, for example, now here in the corners, if I want to maintain some color label, that all corner parts also, if you want to style it, we can style it. Click on edit, and this is for the text size, and this is for the effects. So once you do the styling, the same way, once you click on save, we can see the application, whatever the style we are applying. For this same app, if you want to change the position of the layouts, for example, if you see here, from the next of this, we have an image, right? For that alignment, if you want to do adjust, we can see that here. Just click on it here, and here we can see the icons is changes. These features will enable if you use the either containers and the rows. these things will support on the layout changes will support if you choose a container or either row, then the positions we can adjust based on your requirement. Once your changes is done, here we have an option to test the app in multiple devices. If you choose the mobile, the structure will be like this. If you choose in tab, the structure will be like this. If you choose as a custom, if you choose as a desktop, the structure will be like this. Once you feel everything is okay for the styling part, text and properties, alignment, everything, if you feel okay, then we can click on save. So once you click on save, this is the final output, how your app looks like in our UI part. I mean the front end, either it's a mobile, tab or desktop. So guys, in this video, you guys learn how to use the properties, style and layout, right? In next video, I will explain you how to use this marketplace button and what features will be there, how to use it in our real-time SAP Build apps. So if you like this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.